James Webb saw something that breaks the universe. The impossible image. In July 2022, the James Webb Space Telescope sent back its first full images. Scientists were prepared for beauty, precision, detail. They were not prepared for what was inside them. Galaxies that shouldn't exist. Structures too old, too large, too early. The deeper we looked, the more the universe broke the rules. The data isn't wrong. The telescope isn't malfunctioning. So what's going on? This is the story of an image that shook modern cosmology and what it might mean for the beginning of everything. A telescope that sees back in time. James Webb isn't just a telescope. It's a time machine. By capturing infrared light, it can see objects that are billions of light years away and billions of years in the past. The first galaxies, the infant universe, the era when stars were just beginning to form. Webb was designed to confirm our best models of how the universe began. Instead, it might be unraveling them. The galaxies that shouldn't be there. In Webb's early deep field images, researchers found galaxies that looked far too mature. Some appeared to be as massive as the Milky Way, yet they formed just 300 million years after the Big Bang. According to current theory, that's impossible. There wasn't enough time. Galaxies should grow slowly from small clouds of matter, merging and evolving. But these, they were already massive, already spinning, already complex. Like walking into a maternity ward and finding a fully grown adult. It doesn't make sense. Unless our understanding is wrong. The broken cosmic timeline. These early galaxies aren't rare mistakes. Webb keeps finding more of them. One paper described them as uncomfortably abundant, which forces a terrifying possibility. Our entire timeline of the early universe may be off. That would mean the Big Bang wasn't what we thought. Cosmic inflation happened differently, or the laws of physics behaved differently in the past. Any of those ideas would rewrite everything we know about reality. And it all started with a photograph. What could explain this? Theories are pouring in. Some scientists propose dark galaxies, invisible structures of dark matter forming faster than normal. Others suggest that the galaxies aren't massive, just brighter than expected, due to early black holes or population 3 stars, the first stars ever born. Another theory? We're misjudging the redshift, that we're looking at something much closer, but distorted. But none of these fully explain the number, size, or structure of what Webb sees. And the deeper it looks, the more it finds. The universe might be older than we think. One of the boldest suggestions is that the universe is much older than 13.8 billion years. That the Big Bang wasn't a single event, but just the latest in a cycle. This would support theories of a bouncing or cyclic universe, one that expands, collapses, and expands again. In that case, these early galaxies aren't anomalies, They're leftovers from the last version of reality, and we're living in a reboot. Why this changes everything. The James Webb Space Telescope was meant to confirm the Big Bang model. Instead, it's destabilizing it. That's not failure. That's discovery. Every time in history, we've improved our tools, microscopes, radios, telescopes, reality has become stranger. What Webb is showing us isn't broken data. It's a broken assumption. And the universe is stranger than we imagined. We're still at the beginning. This isn't the end of cosmology. It's the beginning of a new version. The universe has always been bigger, older, and weirder than we thought. And now, we have a mirror powerful enough to show us just how wrong we were. What Webb saw may not break the universe, but it's definitely breaking our idea of it.